Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you what you should do if you see F11 problem in dishwasher GORENJE GS. So if you see F11 error, that means a water outlet fault. In the first step, check that your main filter is not clogged. The main filter is this blue element. How to remove it and clean it you will find on an or other video. In the next step, check that your filter is not fitted correctly. The next possible cause is a debris in a drainage pump. Drain punch is this element for a water out. The next one, drainage pump stop missing. Check that the yellow drainage pump stop on the right of the bottom drain is in the place. The next possible cause is a kink in drainage hose or blocked drainage hose. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.